Hi guys, it's Debbie from What's Mama Cooking For Us. Thank you for joining me in my kitchen today. And today we are going to make such a simple, easy meal. It's very easy, very satisfying. Just some chicken and gravy, and we're going to do it in my crock pot. So what I do, I have some chicken breasts. I'm just going to use 2 chicken breasts. I got some celery, onion, some carrots from my freezer, some broth, which I use the Better Than Bouillon, and some spices. And we're going to make a little gravy with butter and flour. And it's simple, it's easy. You can eat it over mashed potatoes, rice, noodles, whatever you want. So let's get started. It's going to be so simple and so easy. Okay, so what I did was the carrots were already chopped and frozen. So I just chopped those up. Took me literally 2 minutes, not even. Washed the celery and the onion, 2 minutes. And then I washed my chicken, and I have it here on a plate, and I'm not even touching the chicken. I'm using tongs. So the only thing I'm gonna have to do is wash this plate afterwards. So let's get some seasoning on this chicken. We're gonna season our chicken and our vegetables because might as well do it right here all at once. We got garlic powder. And you always want to season everything along the way. Pepper and salt. And don't be afraid to put salt because, you know, you want this to taste really flavorful. I feel like I forgot to put the onion powder on here. I don't know. But you can never have too much spices. So just give this a little mix. Simple and easy. Whoop. It'll all mix in the pan. Let's flip our chicken. And we need a lot of pepper. I didn't put that much on the other side. We'll just put a little bit more. A lot of salt. More garlic powder. Onion powder. And I love my parsley, so lots more parsley, guys. All right, so we're gonna go over to the crock pot. Well, actually, I think I'm just gonna bring it over here. Bring this pot, which goes to my pot, my cooker. And we're gonna just put our chicken in. Simple and easy. We're done with this. Clean as you go. No more chicken products. And then we're just gonna put all this in. Whoop, we lost the carrot already. Look at all those seasonings. You can add other seasonings that you enjoy. Simple, clean this. No chicken grease juice got on that. Okay. So then what we're gonna do is pour our chicken broth on this. This is 3 cups. I think I'm gonna put another cup just to cover everything good. And that's it. We're gonna put it in our cooker. We'll give it a stir and get it in our cooker. And that's it, guys. It can't be any easier than that. All right, you guys, this is my aroma cooker. And it's simple and easy. We got everything in there. And you want to turn on your power. And then it goes around. And you hit this to go to where you want to go. You can do rice. We're going to slow cook 2 hours. We'll see. Just set it and forget it. It's so simple. It's so easy, you guys. That's it. And I'll show you the next couple of steps. In the meantime, I'm going to clean up my mess, which is only going to take me a couple minutes. That plate and that cutting board and the jar with the stock. And I'm going to peel my potatoes, and I'm going to get some cranberries out of a can because I love canned cranberries. Put them out, or get them set, put them in the fridge so they're chilled, and get the gravy ready, and that's it. So I'll see you in 2 hours, guys. All right, you guys, this is just the fun part. We got our cranberry sauce, and if you don't already know, take your knife, go around the side a couple of times, and it should come right out. Don't lose a drop. Oh, come on. And then I just take mine, cut them into very large pieces, because we love cranberry sauce. You probably do yours in about 6 or more. And then same, this is the whole berries. So I just take it, kind of cut it into a few chunks. And there you go. Simple and easy. Of course, if we were having a special dinner, I'd put it on my special cranberry tray, my mother's special cranberry tray, which I got to get out and unpacked out of the basement one of these days. But now this just can go right in your fridge, and it's all chilled and ready. Okay, guys. It's been an hour and a half, and I already prepared the potatoes. You know, I did the cranberries, and now we're going to do the gravy. So what I did was just cut a stick of butter in half. They have little markers on them, and it's 4 tablespoons. Let it soften. And then you want to just add 4 tablespoons of flour. This is how I make my gravy. It's simple, it's easy. You can actually make these up in advance, keep them in your fridge, keep them in the freezer, and then just throw them in your mix. So I'm just gonna get that all mixed, and then I'll show you. That's the word I was looking for. Foolproof. Sounds funny, but foolproof. All right, I just brought the whole pot over here. I'm gonna take the chicken out. It's not done yet, but we're going to take the chicken out. It's probably steaming up the camera like crazy. Okay, and then it just makes a big clump like this. So like I said, you can take this and wrap it in like parchment or wax paper and keep it in your fridge, freezer. Let's get it all out, because we don't want to miss any of that. There's a little extra flour down there that I missed, but... And then we're just going to give that a stir, and that's our gravy, simple and easy. And that's going to thicken up. I meant to taste this first, but I'll taste it in a minute after this dissolves, and check for seasonings. Let's give this a taste, guys. Ooh, it smells good. Delicious. Yeah, I don't think it needs anything. So we're going to let this finish the next half hour. And in the meantime, I'm going to get the chicken chopped up. All right, you guys, I forgot I wanted to add a half a cup to a cup of milk. Yeah, we'll do a whole cup. And this step is simple and easy as well. I let it cool for a couple minutes while we did the gravy, and we put the milk in so it's not scalding hot to deal with. You could even probably use your hands. But I don't like mine really shredded. I just like mine in big chunks. But you do you. Oh my God, I'm getting so excited. This is going to be so good. And they're going to break up in the pot as well. So when you're stirring and mixing. So I'm going to do this off camera, but you get the idea. Okay, this is our last step. We're just going to put our chicken in here. Trying to do this with one hand. And that's it. We're going to close this. Let it go for another half hour. Check it. Make sure it's thickening up. If it's not, we might have to add a little bit more. It depends. But we are done. So the chicken all look done except that one big thick breast. It looks like it needed a couple more minutes. But now it'll cook much faster because it's all broken up. Oh, look at this, you guys. Oh, look at that. And it was so simple and so easy, and it's almost time to eat. Okay, guys, it's been 4 hours total. And doesn't this look amazing? Look at that. It's perfect. Oh, my gosh. And, guys, I've tasted it. The chicken is so tender. Let's make a plate. Okay, well, the sun is shining right on the food, so sorry about that. Look at that. Absolutely perfect. Now, tomorrow, for lunch or maybe dinner the next day, I'll have a nice hot chicken sandwich with 2 pieces of bread with the gravy all over it. Oh, my goodness. Let's get a couple big chunks of chicken on there. Wow. Look at that, guys. All right, let me take my thumbnail. I have been waiting 4 hours for this. Oh my gosh. I did test the chicken. It's so tender. It's so good. Who wants to go in for this first bite? Look at this. Can you see that good? Oh my gosh. Here we go. And with the cranberry sauce, it makes it so good. Okay, guys, I hope you give this a try. This is so simple, so easy. I did cook it 4 hours in the slow cooker. And look at this. Let me pull this over so you can just see how beautiful this is. Oh, look at that. Absolutely delicious. I know you guys are gonna try it. It's simple, it's easy. You can just use bread and make a hot chicken sandwich. Or like I said, you could use rice, noodles, whatever you want. It's simple, it's easy, it's cheap, and I hope you guys enjoy. Hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you enjoy my videos. I'll leave a link above for some playlists so you can check out some of my other videos. And make sure to come back to my channel to see what else we got going on, because I gotta go now, because this is gonna be my beautiful dinner tonight. Look at this. Okay, guys. Be blessed. I'll see you on the next one.